Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick Novotny, and I'm going to be bringing you another how to fold a pocket square video. And if that's the kind of thing you like, then please subscribe, and don't forget to check out my full playlist of pocket square folding videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the pistol fold. So if you still want a flower, but the rolled rose is a bit of a pain, or it doesn't look as good, you can't get it quite right, you could do a pistol flower. So it's just an alternative way to use two pocket squares again. Taking your center color, which here we're going to use yellow. I'm going to fold this into a triangle, turn it on its side. I'm going to roll this up. Try to keep it fairly tight as we go. And I'm going to roll it on a slight angle so we can have a bit of an edge here. That'll be, sort of the flower, I guess. There we go. And of course, I'm going to cheat and put an elastic band around all this to keep it in place. Okay. Taking your back color, your leaves, your triangle, turn on its side so it's a diamond, fold it into a triangle. Put your flower in the middle, however you like. If you want it to be peeking up a little bit, that's great. You're going to fold the back around kind of on an angle, and because only like this much is going to be in your pocket, like the width of your pocket square, this is going to be sticking out, so just sort of back fold that again like so. And then the front, you wrap that like a blanket, and the excess you turn it back, and that could be folded up so it's peeking out of your pocket like so.